Hello everyone. Today we're going to explain about the simple calculator. Okay, the first line we are going. The program will print string 0. Then the second one, the program will also print string 1, which is the enter the first value. Okay, the third line is user will need to enter any number, any float number. So the number that has been entered by the user will save into the register F1. Okay, next this line, the program will print string 2, and then the user need to enter any operand, which is plus or minus or divide or multiply. Okay, then the operand will save into the register A1. After that, the program will print the string 3, which is now enter the second value. So after that, the user need to enter any float number. So after the user enter any number, the number will be saved into the register F2.
Alright, so the add function here will add the register 0 and the hexadecimal conversion to the register 9, and the BEQ line here will compare if the register 9 is equal or not to the storing operator that the user inputs. So if it's true, it will jump to the corresponding function. So if it's correct here, it will jump here, then it will do the instruction below, and then after doing the instruction, it will jump to print answer. So the print answer is here, and it will load the address of string 5. If any of this is not true, it will jump to the last line here, which is load address of string 4, which is the prompt for invalid. So if the user entered an invalid operand, it will jump back to the calc function. If it's true, it's going to jump to any of the corresponding function and then do the exact line of instruction, and then jump to print answer to print the string 5, which is given answer is. So it's going to display the correct answer.
So once the compiler is done with printing out the answer, it's going to continue going here. So it's going to jump to another calculate. Another calculate is down here, where it prints out string 6. String 6 is asking you if the user wants to do another calculation, where here the compiler asks for another character, so the character being yes or no, which is y or n. So here is where the character actually is saved in A1. So when you have add I here, and this hexa number which represents y is saved into register 9, and in BEQ it's going to compare A1 and 9. So if y is at 9 and also y is in A1, and if it matches, it's going to go to calculate, which is all the way to the top, and it's going to begin from the start all over again. But instead, if the user inputs n, and it's going to save it in 9, and it's going to be equivalent to this hexa value here, so the BEQ is going to be equal, it's going to go jump to exit app. So exit app is down here, where it actually prints out end program. So that is what string 8 is, end program. Instead, if neither of these are true, so it's going to print out string 7, which means invalid value. So it's going to ask the user to input another value, which is y or n, so it can the program knows what it's going to do, whether it's going to continue or it's going to start all over again.